We will start by mixing filler, and we are using Easy Fill 60. Let's cut open the cracks so we can fill them. Now, let's pull some nails out and fill those. We painted it grey, but customer changed her mind. Now we will paint it different color. I don't know how, but I got paint in my eye. First coat is done. Let's wait for it to dry. And this is how it looks after 2 coats. In my next video, I will show you how to install laminate flooring.